Hello, everyone, and welcome to Back to School Night for the 22-23 school year. I am Mrs. Cox, and I am going to tell you guys a little bit about what to expect in Credit Recovery English 206B. So, like I said, my name is Mrs. Cox. If you are here, I am your teacher for English 206B, which is a credit recovery course, which is an 8-week course as opposed to the main high school courses, which are a semester long. English 206B equals the equivalent of the second half of English 10, so sophomore English 10. So that is the only class that I teach. Other teachers that are associated with our class, names that you might see are Mrs. Ford as well as Mrs. Burns. So if you see those names on your course, they are also associated with our class. Mrs. Ford is the other English 206B teacher in credit recovery, and Mrs. Burns is a support person in our class that you will see. So you will see all of these names and faces in our classes together, but I am going to be your main teacher for your English class. So any questions that you have, you of course can ask the other two as well, but I will be your main source of contact. I want you to be contacting me with any of your needs for English 206B. My email address, best way to get a hold of me is email. My email address is scox@ohva.org. And my phone number is the main school phone number, which is 419-482-0948. And my extension to get directly to me is 5199. So if you dial that, you will get straight to my phone number there. And if you are opted in for texting, you can also text me directly at 419-731-8242. Now, you do not have to have this information memorized. It is in your course content. If you go into your English course and you go over to the content and you go to teacher contact information, you will find all of this there for you. That way you don't have to have these numbers memorized. And like I said, I teach credit recovery English 206B, which is the equivalent of English 10. So you are taking English 10. Now, let's talk a little bit about our Class Connect schedule. Our classes meet from Monday through Thursday from 9:15 a.m. to 10:10 a.m. So 9:15 is our start time, you guys. The system will let you get into the class a little bit early. So if you want to come in a few minutes early, I will let you guys come in early and get set up. Make sure that your microphone's working if you like to talk in class, and all of that kind of stuff. So these sessions are required, but I don't require that you come live. So what I mean by required sessions is that you either come to the live session at 9:15 or you watch the recording later that day. So class is required. We do a lot of our assignments together in class. We work as a team. And so you have a lot of opportunities to finish your work in class, which is to your benefit. So that is why I say that watching the recording or coming to the live session is required. So one of those two things or a combination of them you must do. We also have optional sessions on Fridays from 10:30 a.m. to 10:55. These are optional help sessions. This is a time where you can come in, you can ask questions for anything that we've been working on that week. You can work in class, you can get individualized help. So that is definitely to your benefit. You don't have to come to those sessions if you have something going on, but if you are working on something and you do need help in our class, this would be a great opportunity for you to come and get some extra help. What to expect during the first week of school? I know this is what everybody wants to know, like, what am I going to have to do this first week? So our first day of school is, as you all probably know, Monday, August 22nd. So on this Monday, you actually will not be meeting with me. You will be meeting with your advisors for orientation on Monday. So I will not see you. Your regular instruction teachers will not be seeing you on Monday the 22nd. So we will meet you all on Tuesday and Wednesday, August 23rd and August 24th. That's when our class is actually going to kick off. So we will have an English 206B orientation at our regular class time, which is 9:15 to 10:10 a.m. So that is always your English time. So that is what you will see there. And then on Thursday and Friday of that week, August 25th and August 26th. You will not have regular classes. You will have MAP testing, M-A-P, MAP, no regular classes. You will be contacted by your MAP instructor. That's probably not going to be me or your other regular instruction teachers. It might be, it just depends on the luck of the draw. But you will be contacted by them for your MAP testing sessions. Probably on Tuesday, August 23rd is when you'll get information about that, and you'll go to that Class Connect session instead of your regular classes. So I will be seeing you all for the first time on Tuesday, August 23rd. We will have an orientation. We will go over the details of our class and what I expect from you all, and your week 1 assignments. For the first week of school, so that August 22nd week, you have 2 assignments to complete for me. They are very, very easy. One is the English 206B pretest, which is worth 15 completion points. That just means you have to do it. Doesn't matter how well you do on it. Obviously, try your best, but if you don't know an answer, take your best guess and move on. So English 206B pretest, that is worth 15 points if you do it, and it is due by 8/26, so August 26th, Friday. Your next assignment, this is optional, it's for bonus points, but I don't give a whole lot of bonus points in my class, so take advantage of this opportunity. 10 bonus points, also due Friday the 26th, is a Getting to Know You survey. There will be a link in your course, and I will show you in orientation how to find that. And you will click on the link, you'll fill out the survey, you'll tell me a little bit about yourself, and it will give you 10 bonus points in my class. So that is definitely to your benefit to do that. Those are the only 2 things that you're going to have to worry about for the first week of school in my class. And then the following week, Monday, August 29th, is when we will start our first unit together in class. We will start that unit promptly at 9:15. I always get started at 9:15. Sometimes 9:16 or 9:17, depending on what you guys get me talking about. But we get started on time because I like to let you guys go on time. I like to be respectful of your time, and I like to utilize the time we have together. So make sure that you arrive on time and ready to work. We will be starting our first unit together, and I look forward to meeting you all next week and getting started and getting to know you all. I hope you all have a wonderful first week of school and a wonderful school year. Bye, everyone.